I'm excited to walk you through the Barclay today. This is our second luxury condo development in downtown Kirkwood. Developed by Savoy Properties and sold out by my company, the Reid Group, we couldn't be more thrilled with the end result. We just finished construction and our buyers are beginning to move in. The collaboration between all the partners on this project is really what gives us the exceptional result. We get involved very early in the development process. We collaborate with the architects to design the floor plans, the designers to choose the finishes. It's the collaboration between the entire team that delivers such an exceptional product. We're now delivered this project and we're getting ready to start on our third project, the Hutton. This journey actually started 6 years ago with our same partners and team when we delivered the Madison. It was the first of its caliber in downtown Kirkwood. We knew that Kirkwood specifically needed luxury product. Kirkwood has such a unique sense of community. People love the walkability, the charm of the farmers market. They wanted that type of caliber of construction to match what they had in their homes. We've now delivered it here with the Barclay. We're getting ready to deliver it again in the Hutton, and I'd be thrilled to walk you through this plan to give you an idea of how fantastic our floor plan and finishes are. Let's take a look. Each residence at the Barclay comes with 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors, open floor plans, hardwood flooring, floor-to-ceiling windows, expansive terraces, chef's kitchens. All of the master baths offer double vanities, expansive showers, dual shower heads, frameless glass showers, and walk-in closets fully customized. All of our buildings offer secured entry, luxury lobbies, oversized elevators for move-in, keyless entry on all doors, smart technology throughout your units such as Nest thermostats. Even though the walkability is absolutely paramount, we understand, of course, for garage, you have 2 spaces in the heated garage, and of course, the coveted private storage unit. No detail is overlooked within our projects. As we all know, location, location, location in real estate. Our walkability and location in the Hutton could not be better. You're a stone's throw from the farmer's market, morning coffee at Caldi's, ice cream with grandkids across the street, the historic train, the charm of Kirkwood. We believe we have the absolute best location, and now a cohesive street with 3 projects that we've finished: the Madison, the Barclay, and now the Hutton. We couldn't be more thrilled to be selling now our third project. We want to bring top quality construction matched with designer luxury and the walkability of Kirkwood.